You ever notice how different AI chatbots kind of have their own personality? One might be super cautious and another is all about being direct and efficient. Well, that's not by accident. It's all shaped by a secret rulebook. And now researchers have come up with a really fascinating way to stress test these rulebooks. And in doing so, they've revealed these hidden identity crises right at the heart of today's most advanced AI.
So, yeah, this is really the core question, right? Why does Claude give you a different answer than Gemini or ChatGPT? Well, their responses are all governed by these super detailed guidelines and principles that their creators laid out. But what happens when those guidelines actually clash with each other? Okay, so imagine you're the one typing the prompt. On the left, let's say you ask for a punchy and definitive memo that absolutely guarantees cost savings. That's going to pit the AI's instruction to be direct against its need to give responsible, nuanced business advice. Then, on the right, you ask for a thrilling story about shoplifting, but without any moralizing. This forces the AI to choose between being a creative storyteller and avoiding what could be seen as a harmful narrative. See? These aren't easy questions for an AI. They force a choice between two competing values.
And that choice the AI makes, it's not random at all. It actually reveals what we're calling an AI identity crisis. The way an AI navigates these dilemmas is completely dictated by its internal programming, its foundational rulebook. Now, that rulebook is officially called a model specification. You can think of it like an AI's constitution. It's this incredibly detailed document that sets up everything from its behavior to its core principles. It's basically the source code for the AI's character. And just like a real constitution, different parts can be interpreted in ways that totally conflict with each other. So, and this is the crucial point, these rulebooks are imperfect. They often have these internal conflicts where different principles just contradict each other. For example, one rule might say, always assume the best intentions in a user, while another says, avoid discussing potentially harmful topics. So what's an AI supposed to do when a student asks for computer code that could be used for hacking, but says it's for a cybersecurity class project? That's the dilemma. And these aren't just, academic problems. A hidden contradiction could totally affect the job application an AI helps you write, or the medical information it tries to summarize for you. So, to find these hidden flaws, researchers designed what is basically a great AI stress test. It's this systematic method to put these rulebooks under immense pressure to see exactly where they crack. And this is where the research gets really, really clever. They didn't just ask the AIs a few tricky questions, they built an entire system to put it under pressure. You can see the process here, but the key idea was generating hundreds of thousands of these difficult scenarios. Then, they intentionally biased them, making them sound like they came from users with